beautiful people, this is me, I'm your host, and today I'm gonna share and show you the Origins Advent Calendar. So if you're curious what's inside, please keep on watching. Around Christmas time, a lot of companies, they coming with different sets, bundles, and also calendars. This one, it's called 12 Magical Days of Origins. Origins Beauty, Body, and Best-Selling Essentials. So yes, comes in a box like this. Then on the back, you have a description of what comes inside, and there is a picture of everything. In the description, you have name of the product, what it does, and what are the ingredients inside. However, without further ado, let's open this box. So we have one half and then the other half, and yes, it's really colorful. When you open the set, you have 12 little drawers. So this is a smaller set, but in each drawer it's one item. I'm gonna go by number. So in drawer number one, we have their Chicken Balances Frothy Face Wash. I used this cleanser previously and I do like it. Even though it's a foaming wash, it doesn't dry your skin and it's really nice. Then in drawer number two, we have a brush. So I bet you can use it to wash your face with. Let's go to drawer number three. Come on. This is something bigger. Mega Mushroom Relief Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. And you got 100 ml. So yes, it is a decent size of a product. We're gonna follow up by something else in a tube. Anti-Aging Power Serum. Then we have, I used this one recently. That's their oil-free energy boosting gel moisturizer. It smells like oranges, and yes, it does hydrate your skin. Then let's go halfway down. We have from the, from the same line as the serum, which is Planscription Anti-Aging Power Eye Cream. Okay, so we have the serum and eye cream. Okay. The next item is, in the next drawer, it's one of my favorites. That's the Drink Up Intense Overnight Hydrating Mask with Avocado and Glacier Water. This is wonderful. I use that as a last step in my skincare routine, and it does hydrate your skin, and the next morning your skin is nice and plump. It's one of those things which you cannot really go wrong with. Okay, so that was number 7. We got number 8. Another small thing. So that was the treatment lotion. And this is the Mega Mushroom Skin Relief Micellar Cleanser. Okay, 8, 9. Ooh, another mask. That's the Active Charcoal Pore Mask to clear pores. Okay, 9, 10. Ta-da! Aha! Origins Ginger Souffle Whip Body Cream. I use this, I have a couple of those and I did enjoy it. It's a nice body, like the name says, it's a body souffle, and it smells like ginger, but it's a nice scent of ginger. And 11, we got here another mask. That's the Texturizing mask with rose clay, and yes, I also used it previously, and similarly as with the avocado one, yes, I do enjoy it. And drawer number 12, we got a lip product. Okay, it is kind of heavy. Dusty Rose. Okay, and the package, it's pretty. It has a rose on it. Okay, kind of smell fake roses. Alright, I will give this one a try, but it feels smooth and hydrating. So to find out, those are all the items which you can find inside the set. If you never tried the brand, yeah, sure, it's a nice and neat way to give them a try. Also, the set it's perfect to give it away, or if you want to purchase one for yourself and try different products for the brand. From the brand. When you take out the products, you're gonna stay with a nice bags, which you can just put at someone and use it as a decoration. Anyway, that was my short overview, and I see you next time. Bye!